Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about the Black Radiance HD Perfect Tone Lip Sculptor lipstick. Now that is a mouthful. So let's talk about what these are supposed to do, and then we're going to apply them to our lips. So in total there are 8 shades in this lipstick line, and I have 4 of them here. I have a good variety that I picked out. So what the lip sculptors are supposed to do, they're a 2-in-1 lipstick, and that shades and contours your lips with long-lasting pigment, rich color. It has a gel cream formula that cushions the lips, and it has a kind of like this square shape, which is really interesting to me. And it also contours your lips with luscious, rich color. Okay, so one thing I found interesting in the directions for these lipsticks is that they say to put a thin layer on first, then use a loose powder to prolong the wear of the lipsticks, and then put another coat on top. I've actually never heard of that trick, so if you guys heard of that trick, definitely leave a comment below and tell me if it actually works. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the swatches of these lipsticks. Alright guys, so that is all the swatches of the lipstick. So I have plenty to say about these lipsticks. So as you can tell, the one that I have on is the one that I like the most. Actually, surprisingly, I like this color the most because I thought this color would be the color that I'd like the least. It is Slay Queen, and it's like a nice kind of like pinky berry, almost like a, in my head, what's coming to mind is like sherbet, like a pinky sherbety type of, like a dark pinky sherbety type of color. So I'm really liking this one. This is a good summer color too, so I'm probably going to be wearing this one a lot in the summer. My least favorite color is actually the color that I was looking most forward to, and that was it First? Yeah. And that was First Lady. Now this color is good. It's just a little bit too like gray on my lips on the outside, and I usually like those muted or gray undertones of certain colors, but this is just a little bit too gray and it made my lips look ashy. So I definitely wear a liner with this one, and the other two I actually enjoyed as well. Now speaking of liners, the one thing that I don't like about these is that the shape. So the shape is a little bit awkward when you're trying to put the lipstick on, and especially if you're trying to line them, because like they say, you're supposed to kind of use the edges to line your lips, but I just found it really awkward, and I kind of just wish that it was just a regular lipstick tube, because the colors are very pretty. I just don't like the shape, because I mean I could just easily, you know, line my lips with a regular lipstick tube, and I just guess it just takes a little bit of while of getting used to of the new shape because it's just different. But I just prefer to like to line my lips and just use a normal like lipstick tube. So if you're having a little bit of difficulty with these, I would say just line your lips with a just normal lip liner first, and then go ahead and put these on. It would be so much easier for you until you kind of get used to finessing the shape. Now the one thing that I still have to test is transfer test. Now the formula is more of like a gel creamy formula. It's kind of like a nice soft matte finish on the lips. So let's see if it transfers. It's kind of been on my lips for a while, so let's do the kiss test. So Okay, so it does transfer just a little bit, but I mean, I don't plan on like kissing anybody anytime soon with lipstick on, so I mean, that doesn't bother me, but if transfer does bother you, this is the little bit of transfer that it does give off. I did forget to mention the price. These are $3.99 a piece, but in my local Walgreens, they had like a $1 off coupon attached to it, so you might get it for $2.99 depending on if your Walgreens does that kind of sale or not. So I got these for $1 cheaper each, so $2.99 each. So I definitely say if you like more of like a nice soft matte lipstick on your lips and you don't mind the tiniest bit of transfer, I definitely recommend these. The only awkward thing about it is just the shape of the lip applicator. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you are not subscribed. Leave a comment if you have tried these lipstick already. Let me know your thoughts, and definitely let me know if you tried that powder trick that I mentioned earlier. Don't forget to follow my other social media pages, that is Snapchat and Instagram, all at DIAMANTEDUANE, same way it's spelled here. And I will catch you guys later in another video. Bye.